Welcome back. So this is the update to the Clutchlite that I promised and my impressions of it. So this is my first time out with it in. The first thing I noticed was the biting point is nearer to the hand grip than it used to be, and when I put it in gear it's a bit more clunky, or it seems to be a bit more clunky, although I haven't got earplugs in, so that could be that. Doesn't seem to be slipping. So I guess before I started the video of putting the Clutchlite in, I should have recorded the pressure needed on the lever to pull the clutch in and the movement of the inner ramp, which I didn't do. So what I did was took the Clutchlite out, fitted the old inner ramp back, and then measured the force needed on the lever here to pull the clutch in, and also I filmed the movement of the ramp without the derby cover on, and then I put the Clutchlite back in and did the same. So that's what this is all about, so hope you find it useful. Okay, so this is with the original clutch thing in. That's taking about roughly 5 kilograms. I mean, it starts going to 7, like difficult to tell really. That goes up to about 6 kilograms maximum, 6.45. That went up to 7. That's 5.4, 5.96, and that's the travels all the way to the hand grip really. That's about as best as I can do it, I'm afraid. So it goes up to 7, 6.9. That's 4 point, but that's once it's pulled in. Yeah, 7's the highest I've seen, 7 kilograms. That's with the original clutch fitting in. And this is how much it's moving. That's the lever is on the grip now, fully released on the grip, fully released on the grip. So the arm does travel less, but the lever, it feels like the lever's travelling the same. This is with the Clutchlite in, all the way in, out, all the way in, out, all the way in, out. Definitely feels lighter. All the way in, out. Travel seems the same to me. Don't know, difficult to tell. It feels the same. The travel feels the same. That's all the way back to the handle. That's 4. 4.8, 5, 5.3, about 4.8, it seems, 4.25. Definitely easier, for sure. That's up to the handle as well, so I'm not sure about the travel. I think it's about the same. So there you go. In conclusion of all that, I think the lever travel is about the same and the ramp travel is about the same, but the bite point is nearer to the hand grip than it used to be. But when the clutch is engaged, it doesn't seem to slip when you open it up in the high gear. So I hope that satisfies your curiosity, and thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Cheerio.